Are you tired of the energy crashes that come with typical energy drinks? Imagine a natural, delicious solution that keeps you going strong. Today, we're exploring a surprising yet powerful blend of coffee and bananas. This simple drink could be the secret to sustained energy without added sugars or chemicals. Imagine starting your day with a drink that's not only refreshing and delicious but also designed to fuel your body and mind for hours. This banana coffee mix offers more than just a quick jolt. It provides sustained energy and nutrients that help you stay active, alert, and productive throughout your busy day. Welcome to Nutrition and Wellness, where we dive into easy, effective ways to improve your health. Today's topic is an unusual but supercharged energy booster, banana and coffee. It might sound a little strange at first, but don't let that stop you. When blended, these two ingredients offer a balanced boost to help you stay alert, energized, and ready for whatever your day throws at you. Plus, it's quick to make and all natural. Let's look into why this combination works, how it fuels your energy levels, and how you can make it part of your daily routine. So many of us rely on quick fixes to keep our energy up throughout the day: energy drinks, sugary snacks, or multiple cups of coffee. But the problem with these options is that they often lead to an energy crash. You get a quick boost, but not long after, you feel more tired than before. Energy drinks, in particular, can be loaded with sugar and artificial ingredients, which may lead to long-term health issues. So, is there a better way to stay alert without the downsides? That's where our banana and coffee blend comes in, offering a steady, natural source of energy that's also nutrient-rich. So, if you're looking for a natural way to stay energized, consider swapping out those sugary energy drinks for this simple, homemade option. The banana and coffee blend is a healthier, effective alternative that can be made with just 2 ingredients, right in your kitchen. It's quick, convenient, and offers lasting energy, no sugar crash, no artificial additives. Let's talk about how bananas and coffee work together. Bananas are naturally rich in sugars and fiber, which means they give you a stable release of energy without spikes and crashes. This fruit is also packed with essential vitamins and minerals, such as potassium and vitamin C, which support your overall well-being. Potassium helps regulate your blood pressure and muscle function, which are crucial for anyone looking to maintain peak performance. And then, there's coffee. As we all know, coffee provides caffeine, a natural stimulant that can help increase alertness and improve focus. When you combine it with the nutrients in a banana, you get more than just an energy boost. You get a well-rounded drink that enhances both your physical and mental performance. Here's how each ingredient plays a role in this powerful mix. Number 1. Balanced energy release. Bananas contain natural sugars, but unlike refined sugars, they are released gradually into your bloodstream thanks to the fiber. This way, you get a steady, reliable energy boost rather than a sharp spike and sudden crash. Number 2. Enhanced focus without jitters. While caffeine in coffee gives you an immediate alertness, sometimes it can lead to jitters, especially on an empty stomach. But the natural sugars in bananas balance this out, helping you feel energized without feeling shaky or nervous. Number 3. Nutrient-rich combination. Bananas add more than just energy. They offer a dose of vitamins and minerals that coffee alone doesn't have. This mix is rich in potassium, which is crucial for muscle function and helps prevent fatigue, and vitamin C, which supports your immune system. Number 4. Quick, convenient, and customizable. One of the best things about this drink is how fast it is to make. All you need to do is blend a banana with a cup of coffee, add ice if you want it cold, or some milk for a creamier texture. You can also experiment with flavors by adding cinnamon or honey for a hint of sweetness and warmth. This blend isn't just functional, it's also tasty. The natural sweetness of the banana complements the slightly bitter notes of coffee, creating a unique, satisfying flavor. And the best part? It's completely free from artificial ingredients, so you know exactly what you're putting into your body. Give this recipe a try, and let us know how it works for you. Comment below if you feel the difference in your energy levels, and don't forget to subscribe for more natural health tips and easy recipes. See you next time.